Channel and then coaching center. So today I'm going to explain about the T-Stop 12th standard English 12th chapter where there is a wheel. Part 2 videos. So let's come to the video. So first the activists learned cycling. Then neo-literates wanted to learn. Every woman wanted to learn. Not surprisingly, this led to a shortage of ladies cycles. Never mind, gents cycles would do just as nicely. Thank you. Some women preferred the later as these have an additional bar for the seat to the handle. You can seat a child on that, and to this day, thousands of women here ride gent cycle. Thousands of other dreams of the day. They will be able to afford any bicycle at all. So, where there is a wheel, so in last video I explained the other topics where I explained that of Pudukottai, that is located in Tamil Nadu, the women tried to ride the bicycles. So there was a shortage in the running of the ladies cycles. Never mind, gent cycles would do just gent cycle will be also a little bit same. So some women has preferred it, and the seats were they handled, and you can seat a child on in that cycle, and you can ride gent cycle also. So afford in a bicycle, so they were taking the gent cycle. So after the International Women's Day in 1992, the district can never be the same. So flags on the handlebars, bells ringing, over 1,500 female cyclists took Pudukkottai by storm. There, all women cycles rallied, stunned the town's inhabitants with its massive show. So after there was an International Women's Day that was made in 1992. So the district can never be the same. So it was changed in the district. So the flags on the handlebars of the cycle, bell rings were put it, and 1,500 females started to run the cycles in Pudukkottai, and their all women cycles were going very much fastly. So what did the male think? One who had to approve was S. Kanakarajan, owner of Ram Cycles. So this single dealer saw a rise of over 350% in the sale of ladies cycle in 1 year, and that figure is probably an underestimated for two reasons. One, a lot of women unable to wait for lady cycle went in for men's cycle. Two, Kanakarajan shared his information with me with great caution. For all he knew is I was an undercover agent of the sales tax department. So, what did the male thinks about the females who ride the bicycles in Pudukkottai? So one who had to approve to females to ride that bicycle is S. Kanakarajan, the owner of Ram Cycles. So the single dealer, he saw that there was a 350% hike in the sales of the one is a lot of women who were waiting for lady cycle went for the men cycles, and the another reason is the Kanakarajan, the undercover agents of the sales tax department. So in any case, not all males were hostile, some were even encouraging. Muthu Bhaskaran, a male alveolar activist for instance, he wrote the famous cycling song that has become their anthem. So in any case, not all males were helping, but some were encouraging the women to ride the bicycle. One of them were Muthu Bhaskaran, who was a male arrival activist who wrote the many songs for bicycle that became the anthem for the women to ride the bicycle. So when in the blazing heat of Kudimian Malay stone quarriers, you run into Manormani 22 training others, you know it's all worth it. A quarry worker and a urban volunteer herself, she thinks it is a vital that her co-worker learn cycling. our areas are a little a single week in 1992 a cutoff and more than 70,000 women displayed their cycling skills in the public exhibitions constant by run by the Arivoli and interest UNICEF sanctioned 50 mopeds for Arivoli women activities. So, as there was blazing heat in the Pudumanalai stone quarry, there was a heat in that place. So, you run into Manor means 22 age and Manor Mari or 22. So, we were training others. Arvalai and wanted to teach the riding of bicycle to the women. So our area are a little cut off. So our areas are a little bit cut off, she told. So those who know cycling, they can be mobile. So those who know cycling, they can teach to others. So in a single week in 1992, more than 70,000 women in Pudukkottai, more than 70,000 women displayed their cycling skills in the public contest that was made run by the Arveloi and the UNICEF United Nations International Children Fund. So they sanctioned 50 mobs. United Nations International Children's Education Fund. So they sanctioned 15th mopeds for Arvalai women activities. So cycling has had very definite economic implication and it boosts income. So some of the women here sell agriculture or other product produce within a group of villagers. So from them the bicycle cuts down on time and wasted in waiting for buses and this is critical in poorly connected routes. So second, it gives you much more time to focus on selling your product and thirdly it enlarges the area you can hope to cover. Lastly, it can increase your leisure time to should you choose. So the first thing the reason of bicycle is you much more time to focus on your selling of your product if you are selling a product and thirdly it also gives the hope to cover the whole area where they are selling and lastly it can increase you to leisure time. It will give you more time if you go fast to complete your work. It will give you the more time for next work. So small producers who used to wait for buses were often dependent on fathers, brothers, husbands or sons to even reach the bus stop. So they could cover only a limited number of villages to sell their produce. Some walked. Those who cannot afford bicycles still do. These women had to rush back early to tend to their children and perform other chores like fetching water. So those who have bicycles now combine these different tasks with non-challenge, which means you can even along some remote road see a young mother child on the bar produce on their carrier. She could be carrying two, perhaps even three pots of water hung across the back and cycling towards the work or home. So some small producers who were wanted to wait for the bus every morning for wanted to wait for his father, brother, husband or son for leaving him till bus stop. So now they could not as they could not cover the limited number of village because of this here their time will be wasted. So now some walked and some are not afford to buy the bicycle. So these women had to rush back to their home fastly to for making the food for their children or fetching the water. But those who have bicycle now they combines with now they can do the task fastly and different task also, which means that you can even make the remote means you can young mother you can help or you can produce the carrier produce on the carrier you can go. This will help them. Yet it would be very wrong to emphasize the economic aspect over all else. So the sense of self-respect it brings is vital. Of course, it's not economic, said Fatima, giving me a look that made me feel rather stupid. What money do I make from cycling? I lose money. I can't afford a bicycle, but I hire one every evening just to feel the goodness that happy independence. Never before reaching Pudukkottai had I seen this humble vehicle in the light, the bicycle as a metaphor for freedom. So, as the poet goes on telling, so it would be very wrong to emphasize that economic aspect over all else. So, of course, it's not economic. The Fatima was telling the story. She says, so, uh, so what means it? What money do I make from the bicycle? She says, I lose the money. I can afford a bicycle, but I hire a bicycle every day to feel the goodness and independence. So never before the poet reaching the Pudukkottai had I seen that this vehicle will help the bicycles as a reason for their freedom. So it is difficult for people to see how big this is for rural women, said Kanamal. It's an Himalayan achievement like flying an aeroplane for them, or people may laugh. Only the women know how important it is. So it is difficult for people to show how big this is for the rural women, how important. Said another friend, that is Kanamal, said it's an like an achievement of climbing the Himalayan mountains and flying an aeroplane for them. So people may laugh on this, but only women know what is the importance of bicycle for them. So postscript. So when I returned to Pudukkottai in April 1995, the craze was still on, but the large number of women were unable to afford bicycle. Each now cost around 1,400, and a new generation was coming up that was too young to gain from the first round. But the Pudukkottai remains unique among Indian districts for the stunning proportion of women who have taken a bicycle and the enthusiasm for gaining the skill among the rest. So after this, when again our poet a large number of women who were unable to afford to buy the bicycle, as the rate of the bicycle were increased to 1,400 rupees, and there was a new generation that were coming out that youth want to gain. But Pudukkottai remains unique among Indian districts for position of making the women who have taken to cycling, who did cycling, and the enthusiasm for gaining the skill, for taking that skill among the others is most important. So okay friends, this was your chapter where after your chapter where there is a wheel. So this is written by Palagumi Sainath, who is an Indian journalist. So okay friends, I think you understand this chapter. So like the video, comment on my video, and subscribe my channel. I'm in coaching center for more video. I will explain the last poem of your 12th standard English in my next video. So okay friends, like the video, comment on my video, and subscribe my channel and coaching center for more video. I will see you in my next video explain another chapter. Till then, take care, have a nice day, bye my dear friends.